And I keep going back in and just looking at the temperature and seeing if the temperature is about where I want it. So I'm going to now come in and do a little bit of the background. I'm going to do a really dark purple. And Kellen, I'm just doing the purples because I want to do something different. I don't want to, I could do blues, I could do something realistic, but I want to do a fun color. So I'm doing it because I can, because I want to. There's no, Seagull is not purple. The water is not purple, but I'm kind of just having fun doing, it's important in our explorations to try different things. And so I'm just trying a couple different things and seeing if I like them. So I'm doing a purple and magenta and with hints of blue, seeing just for fun. Because we can and because we're artists. We can try different things.